Okay, so thank you for joining me today. Hello everyone who are just coming in. Thank you. Today will be the creating parcel in Civil 3D. So hopefully you can see my screen right now and can hear me clearly. All right. So first of all, let me introduce myself. All right. Thank you, Khairul Noah, for the responding. All right, so for today's lesson, we're going to show you how to creating the parcel in Civil 3D. All right, so first of all, my name is Aunuk Mira. I am one of the application engineer for AEC collection in ACAD system. Right, so next is I'm going to share you our output for today's lessons. So I'm going to show you how to create a parcel from object in Civil 3D. And then we're going to edit the parcel style and the label style for the parcel. And then I'm going to show you how to create a property area for the road design purpose. So we will creating the property area for the road design using the parcel right of way. And I'm going to show you how to create a parcel creation tools to create a subdivision in your site area. And lastly, I'm going to show you how we renumber and rename the parcel label. All right. So here is the data for my lesson today. So I'm going to use this data. So if you are using the other site area, other data, you can always use your own specification and your own regulation. All right. You don't need to use my one. Okay, so basically today I'm just going to use this one to meet my requirement for my area here. All right. So let me just go straight away to the Civil 3D. All right, so just for example, I'm going to show you. So this is our output for today's lessons. So I'm going to show you how to rename, how to subdivide your parcel. Okay, so here I already sketched my area, site area here in my Civil 3D, and I already import the point data for my surface. So now I'm going to create a parcel for this area, right? So to create a parcel, so just go to the home tab and then go to this create design column. You will find the first option there is a parcel. So from here, if I click drop down, I will find this create parcel from object. So this create parcel from object, you can create parcel from the line, art and polyline. Right, so here I already sketched my polyline. So I'm going to use this create parcel from object. So I click on create parcel from object and then I click on this line, this polyline. All right, after I click on this polyline, I just click on enter. So it will show me. Oh, sorry, I didn't share my screen. Can you see my screen right now? Yeah, okay. So sorry, I'm repeat it again. So I already have my area here, my site area here. I already draw the line for my parcel, and then this will be my route design. So from here, I'm going to create a parcel for a property. I want to know the area, the parameter of this site area. So to do that, I just go to home tab here. And then from this home tab, I go to this create design option column. And then from here, you will see this first option, which is the parcel. Okay, so if I click on this parcel drop down, I have an option for me to create parcel from object. So what is parcel from object? Which is you want to create a parcel from line, art, and polyline. So I want to use this one. And then I click on this line or polyline. Alright, and then I click on enter keys and that will pop up this create parcel from object box. So by default, the settings are already being set here. So you just need to change depend on your requirement. So first is the site. So usually by default, Civil 3D will create site 1 for you. So parcel need to be on site. It need to be laid on site. So you need to have site if you want to create a parcel. And then the parcel property. The parcel style will be property. So there is more type of parcel style that you can use. So you can use either one. Then the layer here, okay, I will just let it set as default. For the parcel layer will be property and then the parcel segment will be property line. And then the label here. So I want to change the area label style to name, square, meter, and up. Right? And I want to add the line segment. So I just click on this automatic add segment label. And then lastly, I want to erase the existing entities, which is it will erase the polyline. And then I click on OK. So automatically it will change my polyline just now to a parcel. So this parcel have its detail. So for example, property number 1, and that I didn't create the subdivision yet. So this is the segment line. It show me the perimeter of the line and also the bearing, right? So now let's say I want to change the line color. I want to change the line type. I want to change the label style. So I just click on the parcel there, right click, and then I have this edit parcel style for me to change the color, the display, and so on. So I click on this parcel style. It will pop up this parcel style property. If you remember just now, I'm using the property one. So if you use the others one, it will pop up the name here. So from here, I go to display setting. So you can see this parcel segment component type. So under this component type, there's parcel segment. You can see it's visible right now. So this is the color, the line type, the scale, and so on. So I want to change the color. So I just click on the color and it will pop up this color box. So maybe I want to change to this color, magenta color, and then I click on OK. So from there, I want to change the line type, which is I want to make it as a center, like a center line or a hidden line. So it's up to you. And I want to add the scale for the line type scale, which is I change to 10. And then I click on OK. Now you can see the line from my parcel are now changing its color. Right? So next one, I want to add the road design, which is I want this parcel to calculate and to differentiate the property area for my parcel, for my site area, and for my road area design. Right. So to do that, first thing you need to change this line or you need to create an alignment. So I click on this alignment. And then I already draw my road design line. So I just going to create alignment from object. Right? So I click on create alignment from object. And then I click on this line. So after I click on this line, I click enter keys in keyboard. And then it will show me the flow or the direction of your alignment. So you can see it will start from here and then you can see this arrow. Okay, this is the direction. So if you want to reverse, just click on reverse. So if you don't want, you just click enter keys. That will pop up this alignment creation from object box. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to rename this road line. All right, and then the type line will be center line. And down here, you need to set the setting for the alignment. So first is you need to set the site. You need to make sure the site for this alignment same as the site for the parcel just now. So that the Civil 3D will calculate the property area. Okay, so I'm just going to use the site 1 just now, the parcel property 1, site 1. So this alignment also need to be in site 1. And then from there, I'm going to use, okay, for the alignment style, will be proposed, okay. And then the layer will be road, and then alignment level set, I just want to add major and minor only. And then conversion option, if you want if your alignment have a radius, you can add radius here. If don't have, you just can uncheck the curve between tangent. All right. And then lastly, I'm going to make sure it erase the existing entities, which is it will replace my polyline to alignment. So I'll click on OK. So now it changed my line to alignment. All right. So now I want to calculate the property area for the alignment. And I want to make sure the property 1 will be calculate automatically. So now property 1 are 21,000. All right. So I want it to make sure it's calculate, it will minus the property area for the road design. So to do that, I'm just going to go back to this parcel drop down. And then there is the create right of way. Okay, so this create right of way are intersecting in alignment and parcel. It will calculate the property area for the parcel that intersect with alignment and parcel. Okay, so I click on this create right way, and then I click on property 1 because I want it to calculate from property 1. And then I click on enter. So once I click on enter, this create right of way box will pop up. So it will show me the setting for the offset alignment, for the fillet radius, and so on. So for offset alignment is 20 meter. Okay, if you want to change, just click on the value there and then you can change it. So I'm just going to make it as setting as default here. So I click OK. So you can see it will automatically create the road area for my parcel, for my property. So you can see it will divide my property to a three property, which is this one, the first one just now, property 1. And then you can see the area, the perimeter, and also the area for the property are now lesser because it already minus the property area for the property 2, which is this area, and then property 3 for the road area, right? So that is how you creating the parcel for the create right of way. All right. So let's say I want to edit the parcel label here. You can see this parcel label for property 1 showing the perimeter and also the area. So let's say I want property 2 showing the same data, but for property 3, I don't want to show any label. All right. So to do label editing for parcel, just click on the parcel label there, and then you right click, and then there is the edit area selection label start, which is that one will be under label start. Okay. So after that, I'm just going to right click and then go to edit area selection label start. Okay, that will show me this parcel label style, right? Sorry, can you hear me? Because I find that there's warning that my speaker are not connected. Hello? Hello? Test? Right? So from here, I want to change the parcel label same as the property number one. So I just go drop down and then this is the name, square meter and up. Then I click on OK. So you can see the label are same for both property. So now I want to change the property tree. I don't want any label. So to do that, same step, which is right click, go to the edit area selection label style. And then from there, you need to create a new label, which is for no display label. So to create a new label, you just go to here. Then there is create new. Then from the create new, and then you go to this information tab first, which is I want to change this name to no label name. Okay, there are still parcel there. Just it will not show any label. So and then I go to the layout tab, and here is the data. Okay, the data setting. So you go to content, you will find this formula where you will automatically bring out the parcel area, the data, the parameter, and so on. This is the formula. So I need to delete this formula. To do that, you just click on this box with three dots, and then you will find this text component editor content. So this is the content. So that's why every time you bring out the parcel label, it will show you the area data. So this is the setting, right? So I don't want this. I'm just going to select everything and escape and then backspace and then click OK. Then click OK. Then OK. So now the parcel are still there, but only the label are not showing, right? So next one, I'm going to show you how we divide this parcel. So I want to show you to do the automatically subdivide like this. Okay. So to do that, just go to the parcel again, and then there is parcel creation tools. So I click on this parcel creation tool. Then this is the information, the layout that you need to input depend on your area. Right. So first is I want to change depend on my area, my specification and my regulation. So different area, different specification, different layout setting. So for my case, I want to change the minimum area to 17,000. All right. And then for the minimum frontage will be 10 meter. Okay, 10 meter. And then for the frontage offset will be 10 meter. Then minimum width for my parcel size will be 75. Minimum depth will be the same, 25. And then lastly, I want to change the automatic layout to, okay, this one is okay. Place a reminder last parcel. All right. And then how we create a subdivision. So to do that, you just go to this setting here, to this tools here. So there is the creating parcel sideline create will show here. So if you didn't find that one, you just click on this drop down. There are few more tools that you can use to create this subdivision. So other than that, you can use swing line or you can freeform. Freeform, which means you just sketch wherever the subdivision you want in your parcel. So I'm going to use this select line because it will input the data that I just insert just now. And then from here, it will pop up this create parcel layout. And then the same setting, you need to add in the same type. If not, it will not it will not show any subdivision. Right? And then the parcel style, you can change it if you want. And then the label will be area and parameter. And then I want it to add automatically line segment. Then click OK. And then after that setting, you need to click on the parcel that you want to create a subdivision. And then you need to
After you clear it, you need to draw the flow of your subdivision. For example, I start from this corner, this curve, and then I'm going to use the uh, road area for my subdivision flow. So you can see it will show me this is the line, and then I click on enter. So once I click on enter, it show me it will review me the um, result depend on my layout setting just now. So this is the subdivision of my uh, parcel. Okay. And then if I want to accept it, yes, I want to accept it. Then you can see it will show me the subdivision automatically. Okay. So every area, every property are now, the parcel are now being divided by property. Okay. So that is how you create the property, or you create a subdivision using the sideline. Okay, other than that, you can use the free form, which is I just want to sketch it. For example, I want to randomly sketch from here to here, from here to here. So automatically it will create the subdivision like that. Okay, so that is for free form. Okay, let me show you one more. Okay, line to this line. So that is the free form. Okay, so next one, as you can see, the numbering of the property are messy, are not really uh, are not really follow the flow, follow the sequence. You can see number one is here, and then from here it's number six. Number nine, and then number eight, seven, and then this one two. So it will the sequence of the number is not correct. So to renumber, or I can say I want to rename the property name. Okay, so to do that, just go to the any of the parcel, just click any of the parcel. You will find the modify column will pop up here. So from the modify column, you will find there is renumber and rename. Okay, so you just click on renumber and rename. So let's say first I want to renumber first. So I will make sure the setting for the setting that I want to do right now for the renumber, not rename. Okay, so the starting number will be number one. Let's say you want to start from number 0.1. You want to start from number 10. So it's up to you. And then the increment within the starting number is 1. So which means 1, 2, 3. So if you want increment from 1, 5, 10, you want to do that, you just change here in the increment value. And then I click on OK. So I want my parcel numbering will be this flow from here, number 1, 2, 3, 4 until this last parcel. So to do that, just click on the first parcel, your starting point, and then you will find it will pop up like a line there. So just follow your flow. Just follow your parcel flow. Like this. Then this will be the last one. Then you click on enter. Alright, so after you click on enter, you will find that your numbering for your subdivision area are now changing to correct sequence, which is number 1, number 2, see, number 3, number 4, this one will be number 9, and then this past property will be number 10. So this is more correct, right? And then let's say I want to change the property name. I don't want to show like property number 5. I want to change the name to lot 1, lot 2, lot 3, like that. So to do that, just click same step. Just click any parcel level. Then you go to renumber and rename. I need to change it to rename. And then I'm using the specify specify the parcel name. I want to input my own property name. So I just click on the edit, rename that. And then first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the name to lot. Lot number 1, lot 2, lot 3, lot 4, like that. Sorry, lot. And then I'm going to add the automatic calculation, which is automatically it will rename this as lot 1, lot 2, lot 3, like that. So you need to insert the property field for next counter, which is it will automatically count for you. So click on insert. So lot 1, lot 2, like that. And then I click OK. Click OK. So same thing, you need to draw or sketch the flow of your parcel. And then click enter. Enter, okay? So now you can see we're changing to lot 1, lot 2, lot 3, 4 until lot 9. Right? Okay, so that is how you change the rename, that is how you renumber and rename your parcel. Right? Okay, so I believe that's all for today's lesson. So any question you want to ask me regarding the parcel? Alright, so I believe there are no questions. So thank you everyone. I will stop our lesson here. So before that, I'm just going to share with you our website. So if you want to rewatch today Quran lesson, you can just go to our YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, where is it? Yeah, this one. Okay, so from here, we will re-upload Conda. Okay, you can rewatch it from here. And then you can also attend our next pre-honor lesson if you're interested. You just go to our website and then you will find the other pre-honor lessons, the upcoming pre-honor lessons that you can join. Okay. So I believe that is all from me. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining me today. Hopefully you got something from today's lesson. Okay, thank you CCW, thank you Khairul Anwar, thank you everyone. See you on our next lesson. Take care everyone. Bye bye.